Alright, so the day is finally here. We're now working on the Nike Wave for the Fame collection. I'm just picking out the color for the purple beanies. I'm gonna go with this. I was gonna pick white or this gray at first, but I feel like those are a little too dark, so I'm just gonna use this mint color. I feel like it's gonna look nice with the purple beanie. But we already did a couple hats so far. I'll show you guys what this looks like. Alright, so here's a better look at the beanie. I wanted to go with a simple design, so if you're wearing it like this, the Wave for the Fame will be on the side, and if you're wearing Wave for the Fame like this, the Nike check will be on the side. Pretty happy how these came out. Like I said earlier, the beanies are the easiest thing to do, so we're just gonna get that out of the way.
Jill, is that you?
Fool, this shit contagious.
Alright, so I had these 3M jackets sitting for a while, so I finally got those done. We got the 91 Rodman jersey, absolutely fire. Then we got the bunch of Biggie jerseys. These are getting done now, and come on. Like, come on. We got the Nike on this side, Wait for the Fame on this side. This is fucking fire. I can't wait for this to finish. There's 28 seconds left. And then I also did the beanie. So here's how the mint looks. People are either gonna hate it or they're gonna love it. I think it looks fire. I didn't want to go with another purple. I was gonna do a thread this color, but I'm like, I don't want to do that. I kind of want to spice it up. So I'm happy I went with this nice little mint green. And then this beanie is also done. So here you have it. If you wear it like this, Wait for the Fame on the side. If you wear it like that, Nike on the side. I think it came out pretty dope. This is officially done. Oh my god, I can't wait to take this off. Hold on, let me take this off so I can show you guys the complete look.
You have new friends or what's up? Did you know what was gonna happen?
Bro.
I should have craved.
Bruh. Came out perfectly. It came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. So here's the jersey. We got the 72 Biggie on the back. These are going to be available the first day of the NBA season. I'm happy I'm getting that done. Also going to do the Rodman. This one's a size small, so if you're on the lookout, there's only one of these and it's a size small, so definitely cop out on this. I'm going to put the same logo. I was thinking about putting white, but I feel like it'll clash seeing how everything is black, so I'm going to put black on here too. I got about, I don't know, 5 more Brooklyn Nets jerseys to do. And then embroidery-wise, the only thing left to do are going to be these book bags, but I still haven't created that logo, so I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of slacking on this. And then we also have to work on the crew necks and hoodies that are all in here. So as of right now, I'm pretty happy with everything that's getting done. Jerseys are done. All the beanies are done like you guys saw. I'm going to now hoop all of these back on here so we get this done. And then I'll see what else I can finish in this day. Alright, so here are the 2 jerseys complete. They came out exactly how I wanted them. So we have the bedside Biggie jersey. He was born in 1972. Spread love. Then we got the Coogee inspired. These are fire. I think they resell for like $100. I'm gonna do it for way less. And you're gonna get the Wave for the Fame 101 fire. And then we got the NBA Finals 1997 Bulls Rodman jersey. Obviously a little twist to it. But I think this one came out pretty fire as well. I'm gonna see if I could try to do at least one book bag. I'm gonna try a different logo and see how that comes out. But as of right now, I mean, I'm pretty happy. We have all the jerseys done. We have all the beanies done. And we have, that's it actually. Yeah, that's it. I did that 3M jacket on the side, but that's kind of all we have as of right now. We still gotta finish the white jackets, the hoodies, the crew necks, the book bags. And I think that's it. But as of right now, I'm pretty happy. Today's only Tuesday. Like I said, I want to get everything done Thursday. Worst case scenario. Now that I have this done, have the beanies done, I'm kind of happy. I'm kind of happy that it's coming along. I can do a photo shoot with this now if I wanted to. I could do a photo shoot with the beanies if I want to. So like I said, I'm gonna try to do one book bag, see how that looks, and let's see. So I'm thinking the lightning bolt black. The pink is gonna be this color to match this, and then the Wait for the Fame white. Or you think I should do it the lightning bolts opposite? All right, so the book bag is coming along. Each one is gonna take about 20 minutes. I'm gonna wait to see how it looks when it's done, but I feel like that pink isn't like perfect. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's not perfect. It's very close, don't get me wrong. So I'm thinking of maybe doing the next one black, where the black is, but white where the pink is, and then I'll put Wait for the Fame, that pink, or maybe a different color. Maybe I'll do a yellow or something like that. So we're gonna wait till this one finishes. I still have 9 minutes and 26 seconds left. So let's just let this one continue to cook. All right, here it is. I'm actually so hyped with the way it looks. I'm happy that this takes up a large amount of this pot right here, because I was kind of worried that my design was gonna be too small, where this one is gonna overshadow it. But as you see, it's kind of the same size and width. I think the pink is pretty close. This one's glossy because of the thread, but in person, it is very close, I'm not gonna lie. But to my opinion, today was a successful video. I got the beanies done, I got the jerseys done, I got the book bags done. Tomorrow, all we have to do now is work on the white jackets, the hoodies, and the crew necks, like I said. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Today's was a banger. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite piece is, what you're looking forward to. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.